In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file. Let's get started. First, I need to check the file I want to upload to see if there are any issues with its type or if it's blocked by the system. I open my File Explorer and navigate to my Downloads folder, where my document is saved. I locate the sample PDF document, right-click on it, and select Properties from the context menu. This opens up the File Properties window. Under the General tab, I carefully check the type of file to ensure it is supported, and I look for any security warnings at the bottom that might indicate the file is blocked because it came from another computer. Everything looks completely fine here, so I go ahead and click Cancel to close out this window. Next, I switch back over to my web browser where ChatGPT is open. Since the file itself is not the problem, I want to clear out any temporary browsing data that might be causing a glitch with the upload feature. To do this, I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of my browser window to open up the main menu. I scroll down and select the option to delete browsing data. A pop-up menu appears with various options. I click on the time range drop-down and make sure it is set to all time to ensure everything is thoroughly cleared out. I verify that the checkboxes for browsing history, cookies, and cached images are selected, and then I click on the blue Delete Data button at the bottom. Once the data is deleted, I close out the Settings tab and open a fresh new tab in my browser. I click on the search bar and type in OpenAI status. I click on the official OpenAI status page link. This takes me to their system status dashboard. I scroll down through the list of services, paying close attention to the ChatGPT section. The color-coded uptime bars look solid and mostly green, indicating that the servers are up and running fine with no major current issues. Since the servers are functioning normally, the next best troubleshooting step is to try accessing ChatGPT through a completely private window to bypass any remaining extension or profile interference. I switch back to my active ChatGPT tab and click on the three vertical dots menu in the top right corner again. This time, I selected a new incognito window from the options. A brand new dark incognito window opens up. I click on the address bar at the top, type in ChatGPT, and hit enter to search for the site. I click on the official ChatGPT link from the search results, which brings me to the main landing page. Because I am in an incognito session, I need to log back into my account. I click on the Login button in the upper right corner of the page. This opens up the Login pop-up window. I select the email field and type in my registered email address. Once that is entered, I click on the blue Continue button to proceed. The page redirects to the Google Sign-in interface. I verify my email address is correct on the screen and click Next. Now, I select the password field, carefully type in my account password, and click the blue Next button to finish signing in. Now it's time to test if the file upload function is working. I move my cursor down to the main text input area and click on the plus icon labeled Add Files and More on the left side of the bar. A small menu pops up, and I click on the top option to add photos or files. This opens up my system's file picker. I navigate back to my Downloads folder, locate the same sample PDF document from earlier, select it, and click Open. The document successfully loads into the chat input bar without any errors. Finally, I click the Send Arrow button on the right to upload it. ChatGPT successfully processes the file and generates a complete breakdown of its contents, proving that the file upload issue is completely fixed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.